I have already sanded this one down, and you see that little bit of a sheen. Well, it actually, through the camera, it's got a pretty good looking sheen through it. That is the molecular bonding agent fusion lock, and it'll leave like a sticky, let's see if I don't know if you can hear that. Anyway, I'm gonna clean that back off again, but anyway, so that's the fusion lock that goes on there, and then after this, it will have, I'm going to do this soap dish for them also, but after this, it's going to have about 1 and maybe 2 coats of another type of bonding agent that goes on there, and then it'll be followed by 10 to 11 coats of porcelain glaze. And I'm going to show you this other tub I'm going to do also. This one is a cultured marble soaker tub. Cultured marble is crushed limestone and fiberglass resin. And I don't know if I'll be able to get close enough to where you can see it. Let me see it, look through the camera and see if I can find it. Yeah, there it goes. There's 2 cracks. I'm gonna step in here so that you can kind of see. But one crack right here, other crack right here. It's just surface cracks. It's solid, and then it's got staining around here. So anyway, I'm gonna redo all this. I'm gonna go ahead and do the shelf for him in the backsplash, so everything flows nice and uniform all the way down to the outside wall. And I will have the after very shortly. This one is finished up, recalked along the floor. Of course, recalked everything around the walls, and I went ahead and did the soap dish to match the tub. I think that just gives it a really clean look. Filled in with fiberglass resin around the drain. It had, whenever I was cutting masking that off and cutting it with tape, I noticed that it went down just a little further. The blade went down a little further than it should have. So went ahead and put some fiberglass resin there. It was probably nothing more than just the way the drain was set, but now we can be sure that it's not going to leak. And the gentleman's going to put the overflow drain back on after it cures up tomorrow after 5. And everything is finished here, and I'm going to go over and do the other tub. This is the second tub. This was the cultured marble bathtub. And of course came all the way down to the bottom. Had a couple of chips on this outside wall and a couple of chips on the bottom, but wasn't in bad shape. He just wanted it updated. And it will be ready to use tomorrow afternoon around 5 o'clock.